Okay guys, been a while. Over at a buddy of mine's shop, giving him a hand on 71 Ford truck. We're doing a whole wiring harness, new floor pans, new heater box, pretty much all the fun stuff. You got some pretty neat little projects in here. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Nice little Riviera. Okay guys, I'll keep you posted. Waiting on parts for the Cuda motor. And I believe it's a squirrel cage we're waiting on for the heater box. And I can finally get that puppy back together. Breakfast time. See you in a bit. All right. Today's office. 1971 Ford Ranger. That's what we're doing. We're gonna wire the whole thing up. I think I've already shown this, but I'm showing it again. Soon, soon, soon. Got a whole bunch of stuff to put in. It's getting there. One wire at a time. Okay guys, like and subscribe so I can make this channel work for me. You guys take it easy.